Hello there. Well, today is a play day for me. I've decided I want to revisit one of my old techniques, which was doing a reverse dip with plastic wrap. And the colours that I've decided I want to use today are white for my base, dark blue, rose red, metallic pink and metallic green. And I'm just going to dot them onto the canvas, place the Glad wrap over the top, lift it up and see what sort of a result I can get. So I'll start now. Beautiful. That is just beautiful. It's got the lacing I wanted from the metallic colour. My pink, metallic pink, was the same as a recipe I did a few videos ago, which is majority silver paint mixed with my pouring medium and a small amount of red to give that beautiful pink shade. So now I will bring the picture up closer to the light so that I can show you just how pretty it is. The green was a metallic green with gold mixed into it. You can't really see it, but it is very, very pretty. And there's all the lovely lacing, the dark blue, which was a great background for it, and all those colours. The rose red really didn't come out predominantly, but that's fine because the pink with all the lacing on it, and of course the blue, the dark blue, which is also laced up, is very, very pretty. And the dark blue is actually a phthalo blue, so that came out really, really well. I'm going to keep working on pictures like this because it uses a lot less paint, and with the uncertain circumstances in New Zealand at the moment, I want to make sure that I keep a good supply of paint on hand in case I am unable to buy it, because the shops are closed and the online outlets take a long time for their goods to arrive. That's it for me for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.